Hello dear kids, in this video we are going to learn the English lesson number 6, Colors in Nature. Colors in Nature. In this lesson we found few new words, that is of color names. What are the colors which we use in our daily life? So what are the colors name we will learn in this lesson. First one, red. First one, red. R-E-D, red. Second, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Third, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Fourth, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Fifth, pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Sixth, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Seventh, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Eighth, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Ninth, sky blue. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E, blue. Sky blue. 10th, maroon. M-A-R-O-O-N, maroon. 10th word, maroon. So these are the color names which we learned in this lesson, Colors in Nature. So in this lesson we found few exercises. That is, the first one, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Here few questions are given which we have to answer. Question number 1, what is the color of roses? You might have seen the roses, no? So what is the color of the roses? Normally it may have many colors in the roses, but the popular one, which is the most famous one, is roses are red. This is also prescribed in our syllabus. Roses are red. Question number 2, what are yellow in color? What are yellow in color? Answer 2, sunflowers are yellow in color. Sunflowers are yellow in color. Question number 3, what are green in color? What are green in color? Answer number 3, leaves are green in color. You might have seen, no, leaves will be there, no? That leaves are in which color? They are in green color. So leaves are green in color. So the question number 4, next one is, what is the color of girl's dress? What is the color of girl's dress? Answer number 4, the girl's dress color is pink with purple. The girl's dress color is pink with purple. Question number 5, what is the color of the uniform? What is the color of the uniform? Answer number 5, our school uniform color is blue. Which is our school uniform color? Blue, no? So write, our school uniform color is blue.